and today we are going to Ninso shop that is 2 floor. It is one of the dollar shop that is very famous and is located next to the Kluang Railway Coffee, which is again very famous. And once you step into this 2 ringgit shop, you will just be under their spell and came out with more than one things. It is also one of the few dollar shops that sells fresh house plants for cheap. There are also seasonal decorations such as Christmas, and when I went there were Chinese New Year decorations there. So this is one for the Tupperwares and some pesticides. I think there are some boxes which is they haven't arranged it yet. So here is where they are kitchen things. This is shampoos. Oh yeah, this is where those snacks. Yep, snacks. This is the drink. Some of it is like $2 for $2, which is actually very cheap. This is all the decorations, seasonal decorations. So we're going to the first floor. So here is where the fresh plants and things. Yeah, so this is potted plants. Depends on the type of plants. Some are a little bit more expensive. So, yeah, the plants is constantly replenished and changed. When I was here, some of the plants were gone, snatched up. So yeah, some of them left. Very beautiful. Not all of them are $1. So this is where all the beauty products. So yeah, here's the pot for planting, hats. Gardening things. You have all sorts of things in here. I think hair accessories. Oh. So this is all the pill, slippers. This is some things for the house, like screws. So yeah, here's the cute pots. Right. Gardening things. Yeah, let's go. Decorations for house. Here are the decorations. Big plants. This is games. 2 ringgit, which is about 50 cents. A children's toy. All the children's toy. Very cheap. So here's all the sections of all the toys. Please give me a like, subscribe, and share, and also leave me some comments. See you in my other videos.